Let's draw a delicious milkshake together. Start by drawing lines. Connect the bottom. Then, connect the top with a curved line and add another curved line above it. Draw a semicircle on top for the lid. Draw a small oval inside the glass and add a straw. Now, let's color it. Fill everything with a dark color. And for the dribbles, use a lighter color with curvy outlines. Next, add small circles for bubbles to make it look extra yummy. Finally, add some final highlights to make it look awesome. And there you have it, your fantastic milkshake drawing is complete. Great job!